Yes, people, quick video for you today. We are at our sister's house in her box room, which she is currently decorating. We are upgrading the faceplates on a fuse isolator, a double socket and a light switch from white to grey. First things first, always isolate the mains power to the electrical fixtures you are working on. It's crucial to test for dead before you try and remove any wires. If you are new to these types of DIY jobs, here's a tip. Once you've removed the two screws on the faceplate and pulled it away from the wall, take note of the wire connections, and for extra peace of mind, take a photo. It could save you a headache later on. Disclaimer, we are not electricians, so always do your research before attempting any job like this, or consult a pro if you are unsure. On older wiring like this one, the live is red and the neutral is black. On modern wiring, the live is brown and the neutral is blue. Earth is always yellow and green. When reconnecting the new faceplate, give the wires a slight pull to ensure they are securely connected. It may take a bit of adjusting to line up the faceplate with the screw holes. When we removed the light switch, we noticed it was wired upside down. There were two wires in live 1 and one in COM. It should have been two wires going into COM, one live in, one live out, and one wire going into live 1 as the power supply to the ceiling light, but wired it back exactly as I found it. We let our brother-in-law have the honour of turning the mains back on, just in case something went wrong we could blame him. But we do things properly around here, so obviously nothing went wrong. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.